We'll guide you through how you can fix the audio render error on YouTube. So let's say you're trying to play any video on YouTube, but when you play it, you might not hear the sound. So the problem might be of the system. So let's see some of the solutions, and one of them might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what you can do and try is just restarting your computer, and maybe that should solve your problem. So just go to the start menu and restart your computer, and if it asks you for any updates, let's click on update and restart. So I'll just fast forward the process until I log in back. And after restarting, just go to the YouTube and play any video, and that should solve your problem. But if not, you can try any other solution. And the other solution might be that you need to check the audio devices connected. So for example, if you're using Windows 11 here, just go to the speakers here and make sure it is not connected to any Bluetooth device like AirPod or something else. So that might be the issue, and you might be thinking that we are not receiving the sound from the speakers. So that might solve your problem. So just check the output device where the sound is coming from. And also, if you're using some external speakers, you can just try switching it to the different USB port, and that might solve your problem. That might be a USB issue. Now, what you can also do is just go to the device manager, just right here on the start menu, device manager, and just right click and run as administrator. Actually, you cannot run it as administrator, just directly run it. And just go to sound, video and game controllers. Go here and just select your particular output device driver, and just right click and click on update driver. Now, how will we choose the drivers? Just click on browse my computer for drivers, and just click let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer, and it will automatically recommend it some devices or drivers. Click next, and it will install this driver or update the driver successfully, and click close. So that might solve your problem as well. Now, what you can also do is just go to the control panel, and here if you see it by category, you can change it to large icons, or you can just directly go to hardware and sound and click on sound here. And from the sound, just go to the playback devices and just choose the one you want to enable or you want to hear the sound from. For example, in my case, this is Logi USB headset, and just double click here and just go to enhancement, and you can disable all the enhancements, for example, bass boost, virtual surround and all, and just you can listen to the preview as well. Click on apply and okay. Now, what you can also do is just try troubleshooting in Windows, and that might solve your problem as well. So let's go to troubleshoot. Right here, troubleshoot in the start menu, just go to troubleshoot settings in the best match, and just go to other troubleshooters. And from here, just we are facing the problem with the video playback, right? So we will choose this one and click on run. It will just search for the issue, and it might recommend you some solution. So click run, and it will launch this utility with the video playback. So it will recommend you some settings. So just follow it one by one, and that might solve your problem as well. And after that, what you can also do is just close here and just go to the utility again or troubleshooters again, and just try to run for the audio as well. So it will again open up that window with the specific commands in the get help. So just follow that steps one by one. Let me just show this. It will just search for the self-help articles, and it will be pretty straightforward and self-explanatory, so I'll not explain that. It will ask you one by one, what is your audio problem, what are you facing, and it will recommend you solutions according to that. You just have to follow these steps, and that should solve your problem. So after that, again, just try to restart your PC, and that should solve the problem. So hopefully, guys, I am able to help you in this particular issue. If yes, just comment down below if that works, and I will see you in the next one.